Hello, I'm attorney David M. Chester from the Chester Law Group, an Ohio wrongful death law firm. Today we're here to discuss who gets the money from an Ohio wrongful death claim. As I have discussed in other videos, a wrongful death claim is an injury claim usually brought by a family member, and they're usually called an executor if there's a will, or a personal representative if there is no will. And it's brought on behalf of the family, who are called beneficiaries, for the emotional pain and suffering the beneficiary family members have suffered because of the death of a loved one caused by a third party's careless behavior. It's a mouthful, I know. Now, the Ohio Revised Code identifies those family members who are potential beneficiaries of a wrongful death claim. The statute deals specifically with who can claim damages under the wrongful death statute and what damages can be claimed by beneficiaries of the estate. Now, under Ohio Law Revised Code 2125.02, a beneficiary is a fancy term used to describe someone who can collect under the wrongful death statute. Remember, beneficiaries are the ones who were financially, emotionally injured by the death of the loved one under Ohio law. Now, each situation is different in identifying entitlement to become a beneficiary. They include the decedent's surviving spouse, children, and parents. Now, the law presumes the surviving spouse, children, and parents suffered a loss, which is obvious. Other family members can present claims, but they're not presumed to have suffered a loss under the statute. On a side note, if a child has died, a parent who has been court determined to have abandoned the child cannot collect on the wrongful death suit. A decedent's unborn child is considered a beneficiary of the estate if the child is born alive, according to Revised Code 2125.02A1. If you have lost a loved one to someone else's actions, I urge you to order my free book entitled Losing Someone You Love, an Ohio Family's Guide to Wrongful Death. You can get a free copy of this valuable book by calling 1-800-218-4243 or by visiting my video website, www.chesterlaw.com. Now, on my website, you can get a PDF copy of this book right now. So please call 1-800-218-4243 or go to chesterlaw.com now to get your valuable free book.